Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. This is Good Times for All, or Zachary Zabala here if you prefer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how there's different magnitudes of polarity in objects. It's not like there's an on-off switch for polarity. Just like everything else, there's a range. You know, it goes from this end of the spectrum to this end of the spectrum. And everywhere in between, there are things along that spectrum. Now, this balloon, believe it or not, I can't believe it, is still polarized. It has really got the north, or the positive, negative, whatever you want to call it. But this is a acrylic rod with some silk, and I'm going to be giving it a positive charge, the acrylic rod. Now, it should be, look how close I can get to that, and it isn't coming towards the acrylic rod. And I can control, almost perfectly where. So I'm going to hang this balloon up and see how long it will do this. Stay polarized like this. Now, I've been trying to polarize this balloon over here, and I've been having difficulty. This one I did in about a half hour or so. This one I've been playing with for over an hour, and the polarity, it's been moving. As you can see, I hope, I don't know, I know my camera's horrible, I'm sorry about that. But for one, it attracts to the, see how I can get it to swing? That means the positive buildup on the other side, because this is positive, so the negative will be trying to attract to it. But the positive buildup isn't focused on the other side to where it is repelling it. It still wants to come towards it. Whereas this one, I can put it up to it, it'll turn away, and I don't even have to back it up. It just stays away from it. Because the positive on this side is so strong, even though this negative is coming towards it, the positive on this back side is repelling itself away. Now, I did notice that it's not as, well, no, it really needs, now the polarity of the balloon, it really needs a stronger flow than just like, say, what's in my hand here. I can put my hand here. Well, I guess it kind of starts turning towards it. Yeah, I guess my hand is strong enough, but that, I could have given it some charge maybe. I'm not sure. I was trying to do it earlier and my hand wouldn't follow my hand around like it follows this. See that though? This balloon is polarized. Whereas this one, it's going to move towards it, it's going to swing around. It doesn't really know what it wants to do. Now, it is polarized. The negative is in between these two purples it's been. And then the two green over here, I'll bring out my negative amber rod, rubbing it with fur. And it should spin it around to where the green is facing this. I've had to mark it a couple times. And it's getting there, but see how it still repels that? I can still move it. Whereas this one, when I put it near it, it doesn't really... Wow, it's really attracted to the negative. Wow, that one is moving towards it. Isn't that weird? This balloon will always push that away. This one has a good positive charge on it. So much positive that it is actually pulling towards the balloon. It's still pushing itself away. You see that? Wow, that is cool. And this one just can't make its mind up where it wants to be. It used to be over here. Now it's on this side. It was in the middle. So there's different spectrum of everything, and polarity of objects, the magnetism involved, I guess you would call it, to where one end is positive, the other end is negative. And this balloon has been sitting next to other balloons. It's been in contact with a bunch of stuff, and it's still holding its polarity. It's been... I'm not even sure. I've been playing a lot with these, so the days are kind of running together. I've got bunches of balloons. Now this one's starting to finally... Well, let me see. I'll get the positive out one more time. Here, listen to this. See if I can't get it to crackle for you. Hear that? That crackling? That's the static electricity buildup in it. Yeah, that thing is locked in. And this one will still want to come towards it a little bit. That's getting more locked in. Still wants to really come towards it though. It's getting there. So that's it, folks. Different magnitudes of everything, really, but demonstrating the different magnitudes of polarity and how it'll change. Now it's back to the middle. Yeah, this one just can't make its mind up. This one is certain where its polarity is. It's pretty neat, isn't it? Whoa. And then this one, you can still get it to, but look at that. It really wants to move towards it and try to get a hold of it. So the polarity is different here. This one still isn't quite as sure, and this one knows exactly what it wants. So that's it. Good times for all here, signing out. As always, thanks for watching.